Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEPP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty brutal day here. And you know, if you were to say, Clay, look, just summarize this price action for me in a nutshell, I would say pump and dump. Now, before you start throwing stones, I'm not saying pump and dump like this company's run out of somebody's basement over in Nigeria. I'm not saying that. I don't know anything about the company. When I say pump and dump, I'm judging strictly on the price action alone, according to my definition of it. So doing that, I'll say the definition and then we'll apply it to it. So pump and dump price action wise, a price makes a very impressive move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is back to where the move started, or in some cases lower. So let's, first part of the criteria, price makes a very nice move. Well, if this part, from here up to here isn't a nice move, then I don't know what is. So it definitely made a very nice move. And then within a relatively short amount of time, and I should note that this, move started basically right around here. So that's where the move started. And then with a relatively short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started or sometimes lower. Well, I would say this was a very short amount of time. All happened basically within a 30-minute period. And not only did the price go back to where it started, it went all the way down here. So not a good day, and that's why I say pump and dump. Something pumped up the price here, and then there was a whole lot of dumping that occurred. Now, can the price recover? Sure, anything is possible, but as far as the price action itself is concerned, yeah, I mean, a pump and dump, that's the best way to put it. Price got pumped up, made a great move, and then within a very short amount of time, went right back to where it all started. So I'm trying to figure out where some next potential areas, of support may be. And that's basically down here at 4 cents. So 4 cents, current level of support, and that's where the price essentially bottomed out today. If you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see acted as support there, and then, like I said, price essentially closed right at that level. So 4 cents, definitely the muscled level. The price continues to sink downwards. Then really nothing until down below 0.035 in terms of levels of support. With any sort of bounce and upwards price movement, initial levels of resistance to keep an eye on are going to be the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and then the pink line there, the 200-period simple moving average. So the one interesting part, though, about price action movements like this, sometimes they can really create some good snapback bounces. No guarantees that that'll happen, but worth at least keeping an eye on. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.